Hey, what's going on? Rakeem, Addison here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing some Quora alternatives that you could be using right now to boost the amount of views that you're getting on your YouTube channel. This can also be used to boost the amount of website traffic that you're looking to get as well. So definitely stick with me to the end of this video. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's content. So as you can see, I'm right here on Quora.com. So for everyone watching this, 9 times out of 10, you're probably already using Quora and you're generating, some type of traffic from it. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you some alternatives here in this video that are going to get you double the amount of traffic. So what I want to do real quickly is I want to show you how many monthly visits Quora.com gets every single month. All right, so I'm going to use my little SimilarWeb tool up here. It's a Chrome extension, and it shows me, the analytics I need to see from certain websites. So I'm going to click on this real quick. All right, so I'm going to show you the monthly searches. Now, the category rank is number 2, and in the United States, it's ranked the 61st website in the world right now. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go down. You can see monthly visits. It gets 647 million visits per month. Okay, that's almost 1 billion visits per month. So it's a ton of traffic on Quora. So I'm going to show you some other websites that you can use to basically double that, right, and continue to grow your channel or your website, right? All right, so this is Quora. Now let's go over to the first website we're going to be talking about today, which is called AskThere. Now I want to go ahead and show you, before we start talking about the website, I want to show you how much traffic it gets every single month. All right, so let's go ahead and use my tool once again. And as you can see, this one is not ranked as well as Quora, but it's another website that you can use. So check it out. The monthly visits for this website is 23,000 people per month come to this website. So not bad, right? Not as much as Quora, not nowhere near, but it's still a way for you to do the same kind of stuff that you're doing on Quora and then generate traffic from it. All right, so let me go ahead and pull the tool down. All right, guys, so let's talk a little bit about AskThere. All right, so AskThere, same kind of concept, answers and advice from real people. Okay, so as you can see, these are articles that have been added recently. Okay, so they all, what do you notice about them? They all start with a question. So as you can see, how to train for a marathon. Is 2012 the apocalypse? What are some ways to turn a woman on, right? There's different topics, and there's so many YouTube channels, out here that are putting out some great content, right? And you have the same opportunity as them by using sites like this, using sites like Quora. And then I'm going to talk about the other two here in a moment, but this is just a way for you to gather different with whatever niches that you decide to go in. This is a way to kind of just tap into other websites to drive more traffic. All right, so as you can see, you got education, you got entertainment, finance, health, home, technology, travel, right? Those are pretty popular, like especially travel. Travel is big right now, right? So that's definitely something you may want to click on. So let's just go into travel and see what they have. All right, so when we go to travel, we can see how much does annual travel insurance cost? How to cancel a hotel reservation. Where can I find cheap hotels in Las Vegas? You guys don't think people aren't searching this stuff? So if people are already looking for this stuff, and 23,000 people come here per month to basically either answer a question or receive information that they're looking for. So you create content, your own unique content here on YouTube, and then you put that content out and make sure you do your keyword research. You're going to start to drive more views to your channel. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much AskThere. It's real simple. Like I said, it doesn't get a ton of traffic, but it has multiple different categories, and you can kind of gather your ideas. All right, so that's AskThere. Now we're going to go to the next one, which is called Ask Me Help Desk. Now, same concept, guys. Question and answer. Here it is. Ask questions, get the right answers fast. Answer questions, spend 5 minutes feeling smart. Be somebody else's hero. So all you're really doing is you are helping people get to a solution. Okay? Now, as you can see, there's 656,000 questions on here right now already. And there's 3 million posts and 1.25 million members. Okay, so it's a ton of people already on this site. Now I want to go ahead and show you the amount of visits that it's getting every single month. All right, so let's go ahead and pull my tool down once again. All right, so as you can see, it's not really close to Quora when we talk about rank, but let's go up here. So as you can see, every single month it gets 110,000 visits every single month to this website. So as you can see, that was a large jump from when we were over here on AskThere. AskThere only gets 23,000. This gets 100,000. So now you have even more of an opportunity to drive traffic to either your YouTube channel or your website, right? So let's go ahead and drop the tool down. All right, so here we go, guys. If I go to browse, okay, do you see all these different niches? You see arts and leisure, okay? And then these are the subtopics within arts and leisure. Now, business and careers, okay, you see accounting, business plans, communication, entertainment, further education, right? Internet business, right? There's a ton of different topics that you can go in. So I'm just going to click on internet business since you guys know that's what I do, you know, affiliate marketing. So let's go ahead and click right here. All right, so bear with me. All right, so here we go, guys. So as you can see, the first, pretty much the first one we see is online marketing, teach earning English article sites. Should I create my own e-commerce website on WordPress? Drop shipping. When should I ask questions at a new job? Right? That doesn't really relate right there, in my opinion. But name for a life coach page. What is the minimum number of pages required for a WordPress website? So as you can see, it shows you the amount of people that have answered it already, and then it shows you the amount of views. So as you can see, this one post right here got 3,000 views and 8 people answered it. So that what that really means is the first person who actually went to answer that question, they got over 3,000 people to basically see their question. Now, what if those people, out of the 3,000, let's just say 10% of those people saw your YouTube link to your YouTube video or your website, right? And they actually went over to it. My recommendation, the same as, you know, anytime I talk about Quora, and what I'll do is I'll link down my Quora videos down in the description box. That way you can take a look at them. Maybe you're struggling with, you know, generating traffic on Quora, and if so, I have multiple different strategies. So I'll drop those videos down in the comments. But same thing applies here. If you're doing Quora or any of these websites that I'm showing you, always think value first, right? Value first, because if you just send people straight to a website, they're usually not going to go to a website. But I tell you this, they will go and watch a YouTube video. People love videos, okay? Nowadays, what I find is that, yes, you know, blogs, they're not dead, right? They're not dead at all. But people just, it's easier for you to just go on YouTube and watch how to do something rather than to read it. Okay, so that's why I always recommend using a video so you can drive them back over to your YouTube channel. And once they're on your YouTube channel, they have an opportunity to now watch multiple videos of you. So it builds that instant rapport. All right, so same kind of concept over here on Ask Me Help Desk. All right, so we're going to go to the final website, which is Yahoo Answers. Okay, so some of you watching this, you already know what Yahoo is, but Yahoo Answers, it gets a ton of traffic every single month. All right, so I'm going to go here to my tool and I'm going to drop down. All right, so as you can see, the category rank is 2, and it's the number 5 website in the United States right now, and a global rank of number 9, okay? So check this out. The monthly visits is 3.9 billion monthly visits every single month. That's every single month, 3 billion people. So I want you to think about how you can literally quadruple your traffic, because already Quora itself gets 600, what was that? I think it was 600 million, or was it billion? Let's actually go back over here. All right, so there it is, 647 million already, and then you just added AskThere with 23,000, and then you added Ask Me Help Desk with over 100,000, and now Yahoo Answers is giving you 3 billion people a month. So Yahoo Answers is real similar, right? It's the most similar, in my opinion, to Quora. So as you can see already, is Hope Hicks a rhino now, right? These are things that are on the front page. And then if you click here, it's going to pretty much take you to where you can actually answer those questions. All right, so it's taking a little bit of time. Just bear with me. All right. All right, so as you can see, and now it says answers.yahoo.com answer, okay? So it's going a little slow. Let me actually just get out of Ask Deb and Ask Me just to kind of speed it up a little bit. All right, so that's taking a little bit longer than I want, so I'm going to go ahead and just tail back. All right, come on, come on. And we'll go back to the home page once again. All right, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. It's going it's going a little slower than I really want it to right now. Let's just exit and we'll type it again. All right, Yahoo Answers. Come on, come on. All right, better yet, we'll do this. All right, so with Quora, like I said, since they're very similar, everything that you do on Quora is like I said, it's very similar. So all you got to do is find questions, the same how as if I was using Quora and I was just going to this person and I was going to answer this question. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hit more to open it up, right? And then down here, right, I can pretty much go ahead and respond to their answer. That's the same way that that's the same way that Yahoo Answers is operating, okay? So if you're very familiar with Quora, it's easy for you to go over there on Yahoo Answers. Let me try one more time just to see if it'll pull up. Yahoo Answers. All right, so it looks like it's moving now, guys. Hold up. And it's still slow. All right, yeah. So yeah, guys, same concept for most of the websites that I've just shown you. AskThere was a little bit different, right? It gave you more articles, but when it comes to Yahoo, okay, so it looks like it's popping up right now. Nope, it's not doing it. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna just call it quits for trying to show you guys that, but it is the same type of website as Quora. So if you already understand it, jump on Yahoo Answers, start answering questions. As you can see, it gets 3.9 billion visits every single month. All right, so with that being said, I hope you got some value, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.